Alright guys, so we're just gonna jump right into the video, and you see me getting my freshly washed hair just separated into 4 sections. I just took it out of the towel. Right now it has no product in it, and I'm just gonna section it into 4s. I just do like a little bantu knot and then put each one like in a little knot and just move on to the next section. And then I just take my paddle brush and make sure that my hair is all detangled, starting out with the first section. Then I'm going to go ahead and start blow drying. And I normally put product in my hair, but since I was doing box braids this time, I just figured I wanted my hair to be completely clean, and the only product I'm going to put in is going to be my moisturizer later on in the video. So here's me just blow drying my hair, and I'm going to go through each section, blow dry and brush it out and make sure it's all dry, because you want your roots to be dry. You don't want them to be wet when you're doing box braids. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to show you guys what kind of hair I use, and I'm using the triple pack. So this pack has 3 bundles of hair in it, braiding hair, and it's already pre-stretched. And the first 2 packs I'm showing you is the color 613, and that is like the platinum blonde color. Then I'm going to move on to the color, I believe it's 85, or I'll put it on the screen actually. But yeah, so each braiding pack has 3 bundles of hair. It's already pre-stretched, so I used 2 of the platinum blonde 613, and then I used 3 of the more goldish color. I forget what it's called, but I will put it on the screen. Oh, 27, that's what it's called, 27. I didn't use all of these packs, but I didn't like each of these blondes by themselves, and at my hair store this is the only colors they had. So as you guys can see, I like parted out how much of the color 613 I needed. Oh no, not 613, 27, I'm sorry. So 27 is the more like brassy blonde color, and I just parted that out. The number 27 is the color. And yeah, like I said, at my local hair store they only had the 2, you know, basic blonde colors, which is 27 and 613. So I had to mix it to get the perfect blend. And right here I already have most of my hair done. I wanted to show you guys the front because that's like, I feel how all the tutorials are, and because like you can't see really the back, so I wanted to show you guys the front so you're up close and personal. As you can see, I'm just mixing the colors together to get my perfect blend. And the key to this when you're blending colors is to blend it to your liking. You can blend it even more. As you can see, you can really see the difference of colors in my braids. If you don't want it to be so distinct, just mix the colors even more. But the key to mixing it is brushing it out, and there is a lot of hair in my brush, but it doesn't take away from the thickness of each section, so don't worry about that. Just make sure that you braid or you brush each section of braiding hair that you make. And then I'm just taking my edge control, putting it all over my roots just to make sure that they don't come unraveled or anything. And this is my first time doing box braids as well, guys. So, you know, my gripping could be a little bit better, but it was actually pretty tight for the most part. Then I'm going to take my Cantu coconut curling cream, and I'm going to go ahead and run this all the way to my ends. And then also take a little bit of edge control just on the ends to make sure that they don't stick through or unravel or poke out from the braiding hair. And then I'm just going to apply it to the roots and go ahead and start braiding. And as you can see, I keep 2 strands of braiding hair and 1 strand is my real hair, and I keep doing that for a few braids. And then I'm going to keep going down, and then eventually I'll go ahead and blend my real hair with the braiding hair. As you can see right there, I took a little bit from 1 strand, and that's when I mixed my real hair with the braiding hair in 1 strand. And I wasn't trying to tuck my real hair or anything so I don't have it show. I kind of like the look where my real hair shows with the blonde, so it looks like 3 different hair colors in my hair. But if you don't like that, you can definitely tuck your real hair underneath so it doesn't show. Okay, so I'm just going to continue braiding, and then I move down to the bottom of my braid to show you guys how I do it towards the end. And I literally just keep braiding all the way down. I don't use any rubber bands or anything. This part did take forever, just going down and braiding each braid. And I know a lot of people save their ends, so they'll braid a little bit, but they don't braid the ends just to save time, and then in the end they go back and then braid all the ends at once. But I didn't do that. I just braided each braid all the way down every time, and it did take forever. But if you know how to just keep mixing the hair and borrowing hair from each strand, that is how you're going to be able to make sure that your braids do not unravel. Just you have to make sure that you're very intricate and keep mixing the hair so it doesn't unravel. And then you're also gonna dip these in hot water too, so that's gonna melt the hair together, and then you won't have to worry about it coming undone. Alright, and that is showing you guys how to go ahead and install a box braid. Just do this all over your head, pick your perfect braiding hair that you like, and just go ahead and try it out. This is my finished look. I really liked it. This is my first time ever doing braids with, braiding hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.